I'm here to discuss about different methods of food processing following the industry standard. Food processing is the process of transforming food items into a form that can be used. It can cover the processing of raw materials into food via different physical and chemical processes. Hanggang dito lang. Objectives of food processing. Food technology is a very vast domain concerning the production of processing of food. Food processing has certain objectives, such as it boosts the shelf life of food products, prevent food contamination, food storage and transportation, turns raw food materials into attractive and marketable products, and also provide employments to a large population. The first one is sugar concentration. It is the preparing of raw materials, sorting and grading fruits. The product should not have physical defects as these could be entrance doors for pathogens that cause rotting. While the characteristics of good fruits vary for every type of product produced. Integrity of shape. The produce should not have physical defects as this could be entrance doors for pathogens that cause rotting. Uniformity. Each product in the batch should be uniform in size, form, and color. Freshness. The product should be harvested right on time to achieve maximum turgi- turgidity, color, flavor, and crispness. This can be ensured by asking for information from the supplier. Or maturity, usually indicated by color and firmness. Ripeness or maturity refers to the maximum edible quality of the fruit. Color and firmness are indicators of maturity. Juiciness. Juice content in fruits is directly related to the ripeness of the fruit. Flavor can be flavored by measuring the total soluble solids with a refractometer. Preparing fruit and other ingredients for processing. First is washing and cleaning fruits. It helps to remove soil and chemical residues from produce. Knife peeling. Fruits and vegetables are pressed against stationary or rotating blades to remove the skin. Knife peeling is used for fruits that have skin that can be easily removed with little damage. Slicing